Liverpool fans, this is not a dream. The Arne Slot era has kicked off with absolute dominance. From Premier League champions to blockbuster signings, the Reds are rewriting their future and fast. Today we are diving deep into how Liverpool went from transition to title winners and why next season could even be more scarier for their rivals. When Arne Slot was appointed as Liverpool's new manager, questions were raised. Can he carry Klopp's legacy? Can he handle the pressure of Anfield? Well, Slot answered them in a most emphatic way possible by guiding Liverpool to the Premier League title in his first season and doing it with style, structure, and serious squad evolution. But it wasn't just the silverware that impressed. Behind the scenes, Liverpool were securing their foundation. Mohamed Salah and Virgil van Dijk, two of the club's most pivotal leaders, extended their contracts, sending a clear message: this project is serious and the veterans are fully on board. And yes, Trent moved to Real Madrid in what was a bittersweet moment for fans. But Liverpool were not caught off guard. Within days, they signed Jeremy Frimpong, the Flying Dutchman from Bayer Leverkusen, an attacking right back who mirrors Trent's creativity with added pace and pressing intensity. Frimpong looks like a perfect slot-style fullback. But it doesn't stop there. Liverpool also wrapped up the deal for Milos Kerkez from Bournemouth. The 20-year-old left back is already Premier League proven and adds depth, speed, and flexibility. Slot clearly wants fullbacks who can attack relentlessly, and Kerkez fits that model like a glove. Now for the jaw dropper. Liverpool have broken their club transfer record to sign Florian Wirtz from Bayer Leverkusen for £116 million. Let that sink in. The 21-year-old playmaker was at the heart of Leverkusen's historic unbeaten season. Vision, technique, composure. Wirtz brings it all. He's just not a signing, he's a statement. With all this momentum, Liverpool are clearly sending signals to the Premier League. We are not done yet. They have handled the early window like champions, organized, aggressive, and ambitious. Arsenal and Manchester City now have a serious threat to worry about. And with a complete squad, balance in youth and experience, and a visionary manager at the helm, Liverpool are shaping up to dominate, not just compete.